How's it going, YouTube? In this video today, we're going to be looking at people who do not know how to drive and road rangers on the road. Now in this video, you're going to see people making mistakes, hitting on each other, cussing at each other, whatever they're saying. We're in this video, we're going to be looking at all of that, and without going any further with that and with the excitement I have into seeing these videos because they're hilarious, let's get down to this video and I'll show you my first favorite video that I found, which is extremely hilarious, and it's something that I posted a while back and is quite funny, but I'll show you guys the video and we'll talk about it afterwards. So let's get to it.
Why is he rolling back? Oh shit, he's going to hit me.
So my joke for this video is, this guy basically wanted to do this to the motorcycle because he wanted to trade his C5 Corvette for a CA Corvette. And then that's the funny joke I have. Maybe he wanted to upgrade to his car. I don't know. It could be a variety of reasons why, but maybe he's wanting to upgrade. Maybe he was tired of driving the C5 Corvette. He just wanted to upgrade to a CA Corvette because, he just wanted to get a newer car and he was just tired of it. But anyway, as you guys saw, this was a manual car. So obviously, as you guys know, manual cars usually roll back. And then once they roll back, then, there's like no stopping. And it looks to me like he did that on purpose to the motorcycle dude. And I feel like the motorcycle dude is absolutely not at fault into this. This was all the fault of the the C5 Corvette, the owner of that vehicle. And I think that he's basically obligated and he should, pay for what he did. But, let's see more what gets down into this video.
I got you on fucking tape. You just ran into me. Got me on tape doing what? You ran into me. You're full of shit. I'll pull up the fucking footage.
Now that right there, ladies and gentlemen, there's one benefit into this video which I see right here that is a pro for the motorcycle dude, and it's the fact that he has a dash cam. Now a dash cam is something that basically records your car, records whether or not if you're in a car or a motorcycle. It's basically gonna control and operate and record everything that's going on in the footage. And that's something that's very useful to have. I recommend everyone to have a dash cam on their car because nowadays you're gonna see some crazy drivers like this man right over here, and he's doing all this bullshitting and every single thing like that. But at the end of the day, we have everything on footage, and as long as you have that dash cam and that footage and the recording of every single thing, then basically you're not gonna be at fault for this. And I totally, in this scenario, blame the C5 Corvette owner. There's no words to say about him. He's basically just saying bullshit and shooting up problems up, and he's just blaming the motorcycle guy, and he's not at fault for this. And these type of things could happen. That's why it's best to always have a dash cam for your car. I highly recommend everyone that's watching this YouTube video is to get a dash cam, because if you don't get a dash cam, then people will try to blame you at fault even though you're not at fault. Now that's something, in this type of era where car wrecks are increasing every single day, it's important to have a dash cam for your car, because stuff like this could also happen to anybody out there. It could happen to anybody and anywhere, anytime, and which is why it's important to have a dash cam for your car or motorcycle or anything you own. Even it could be even a Polar Slingshot, name it, whatever, what type of thing that you're driving. It's important to have a dash cam and have everything recorded for future references. Let's see one more time, just one more time, about let's go a little bit rewind into everything all the way back.
Oh shit, he's going to hit me.
As you guys saw right there, the motorcycle dude was basically at a red light. He was still, his motorcycle obviously is not going forward, or it's not backing out or anything like that. As you guys saw, the C5 Corvette was a manual car. Manual cars are, when you get the clutch out of the pedal, basically all it does is the car keeps rolling back, and basically that's that was his intention of doing that. He just wanted to just, you know, smash into the motorcycle dude and just blame him and basically file a civil court or, you know, a claim against him and, you know, try to extract money from him. And, you know, he has everything on footage. And in this scenario, I totally blame the owner of the C5 Corvette. He's at fault for this. As a matter of fact, he planned doing this, and, you know, maybe that joke was right what I said. Maybe he just wanted to just get a C8 Corvette after all. Maybe he just wanted to do that. You know, he was probably tired of driving his C5 Corvette and just wanted to upgrade to a C8 Corvette because maybe he was just tired of his car. And, you know, you never know what people have on their, you know, in their minds and everything like that. But, you know, that's all I can say for this video. C5 Corvette is the guy to blame with, and, you know, that's the open shut of this case scenario. Next video, we find another case scenario just like the last video, but in this video we're gonna see somebody basically crash the car, and most importantly they got a dash cam for their car. And now I highly, you know, I don't care how many times I say this, the importance of having a dash cam is really, at this point, you really need a dash cam. I'm not even a sponsor to, you know, for to keep saying to get a dash cam, but it's something that's really highly recommended, I think, for everyone to invest themselves to get a dash cam, because a dash cam basically records every single thing, and nobody at that point could even bullshit or even, you know, end the conversation about not having a dash, you know, the stuff that they say or what they try to convince other people like the police or somebody like that when you get involved in a wreck like that. I mean, it's important to get a dash cam. I highly recommend it. But anyway, let's see this video right over here. Basically, as you guys saw, he basically just ran into the car that had the dash cam, and basically he just collided into him. Now let's see the aftermath of what exactly happened. His truck versus what is the car that ran the red light. So that was right there, ladies and gentlemen, the car that ran the red light. And basically, as you guys saw, his rear bumper is quite damaged, his tail light is damaged, his quarter panel is also damaged as well too. And basically, all that to be said is to basically be careful when you drive, and most importantly, invest in a dash cam. I highly recommend people to get a dash cam. As a matter of fact, I'll probably even put a link underneath the bio to, you know, get the good dash cam for your car. And I'm not a sponsor about this, like I said before. It's just something that I recommend everyone that's watching this video is to invest in yourself a dash cam, because in this type of era today, you know, drunk drivers, road rangers, you know, name every single thing. There's like way too much things going on. And, you know, at this type of scenario, it's important to invest in yourself in a dash cam, because it's very important to protect yourself and protect your property, and most importantly, protect your, you know, because you can't really trust anybody nowadays about what they're telling the truth, especially when you collide into somebody. They'll probably be, you know, talking good, and then at this, when it comes to the time to go sue somebody in court, they'll be talking, you know, trash or something like that. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, it's important to invest in yourself a dash cam. And I'll put the link underneath the bio. But anyway, in this video right here, we see, let me go rewind it one more time. So everything was very normal until we just see this right over here. And as you guys saw, it's the white car's fault into this, and then he damaged his own car himself too. And that's right there, ladies and gentlemen, is why to invest in yourself a dash cam. This next video that I have for you guys is quite extremely wild, and it's basically a guy going into an intersection trying to go to the other lane, and basically what happens is that the car on the other lane decides to merge with that lane that the guy is trying to turn left into. And basically what that guy does, the one where he turns left into, is basically he sees him coming, so then he decides to go move the other way around. And, you know, let me show you guys this video, and then you guys will understand what I'm exactly talking about. So everything was going quite smooth on this day. And until then, we see this right over here. He's trying to merge into the other lane to obviously, you know, to turn into the other lane. And basically what we find is that the other car ahead of him all of a sudden merges into him, trying to crash him. We don't know if he was intoxicated or drunk or whatever, but the fact that it looked like he was trying to either do it on purpose or he was drunk, we don't know exactly, but this is what happens. Whoa, whoa! You see that? This is crazy right there. He's coming that way, and he's obviously trying to merge into the other lane. And basically, he tries to just collide into him, but thankfully for God, he manages to escape in this scenario. And it was a quick sharp turn and a quick move. He made a quick, you know, action he took before he was about to collide into the other car. And you know, he horned at him. And that's it for this video. He basically, as you guys saw, he was trying to go to the other lane. Until then, the other car was trying to collide into him, and basically before he was about to collide into him, he just decided to go on to the other lane to protect himself. And that's a third reason, and another reason why it's important to have a dash cam on your car or anything you own. After looking at all these videos, sometimes I'm very surprised with the fact that how these people that make these mistakes or attempt to make these mistakes, how the hell do these people even get a license in the first place? Because, like, you need to go back to driving school or something like that, because these videos I looked at it like 100 times, and it's crazy how, you know, these people don't know how to drive. And, you know, because of how they don't know how to drive, we ourselves have to be involved in these type of scenarios. And sometimes in these scenarios, we also get, you know, we get into a car wreck, or possibly we even die because of other people's stupid mistakes. And all these videos that I'm seeing right now, it's just crazy, and it's just stupidity that, you know, the stupid things that people make mistakes on, and most importantly, they put other people at risk on the road, other people's lives at risk, you know, drunk driving or road rage. It's just crazy going on out there in the world. Now, this next video I'm about to show you guys, this lady got some personal problems with this person or what, I'm not sure exactly, but let me show you guys this video. She flipped him off too with a middle finger. Yes, a middle finger. And basically, she's committing road rage to another driver, and that is also caught on dash cam. Now, let's see this video. See, look, the finger. She's giving the finger. Look at that. Ah, whoa. Yeah, I could feel it all the way from in this video. Like, it goes to that much. The collision was so terrible that, you know, it's just crazy. The way she collided into him, he also flipped him off too. That middle finger was very personal. Let me know what you think. If this happened to your car, what would you do? If you know, by any chance, you know, drive and all of a sudden you see someone just, you know, like flipping you off, and then after that, you know, they collide into you, and then after that, like what you guys saw right here, she's crazy, and she basically damaged her car. I got no words to say about this. The world is getting crazy now. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all for the video for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Somebody requested me to make this video about, you know, about drunk driving and car wrecks that you see on the road, and I basically made that video. Let me know what other videos I should make, or give me your opinions on what other types of video you guys want to see. But anyway, that wraps up for the video for today. Subscribe to my channel. One more thing to tell you guys. 500 subscribers is the goal. If we get to 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway on a free set of tire stickers, Nitto NT555 permanent tire stickers, 1.25 inch. It's got everything included, the bottle, every single thing. And I'm also, along with that, I'm doing the first place winner gets the tire stickers along with the $150. Second place winner gets $50. Third place winner gets free shoutouts. And that's it for that giveaway. So the goal right now is to get to 500 subscribers. If we get to 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway on all these things. But anyway, that wraps up for the video for today. And most importantly, invest in yourself in a dash cam. I'll put the link under the description and in the bio about where you could get yourself a good quality dash cam, not a cheap one, a good quality dash cam. And I'll put that link in the description. But anyway, that wraps up for the video for today. I hope you guys like this video I made. It's quite funny. And that's all for the video for today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And most importantly, catch me in your next video. Peace out.